So first you have to import the library PyWeb input output import PyWeb input output import web. This is application bar running app on localhost. So first of all we add a comment with pop-up. Household item reports of the month. Next put text on pop-up. What text? Learn how to create a table in Python slash n put text making a table of household items with their quantity. So now you see first of all program run and that is a pop-up message. Learn how to create a Python table in Python. Table household item with their quantity. There is a table and quantity that are running on localhost. This can be run on app. So again, see put table. So put table first of all atom name, second is quantity. The heading of table column 1 is atom and the head of column second column name is quantity. So first atom is sugar, second milk, third rice, fourth honey, third tomato, and fourth other put table mango apple, and there is a one more table within a table. So this is a way to create a table in Python. So see put text table of put table रन मॉड्यूल सॉफ्टवेयर रन हुआ है तो आप देखिए कि ये दोबारा वही पॉपअप मैसेज आया लर्न हाउ टू क्रिएट आ टेबल इन पाइथन। तो ये टेबल बना है खूबसूरत सा टेबल है तो दैट इज हाइड एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ इट पाइथन लैंग्वेज एंड यू हैव क्रिएट ए वेरी स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ coding. No, again I am running this my software app again and again to show you that is our code is working. No, you can use this code in your programming. So you have to all you have to install pip